DepriveD Productions. Josh here, thanking you guys for 500 subscribers, 500 huge subscribers. I love you guys. Y'all have been amazing. I've got this giant little world here, little giant world, whatever you want to call it. And today I just want to give you guys something awesome. I want to give you guys a few things. So today in part 1, I'm going to give you something. And then next week in part 2, I'm going to give you something else. I want to say this, guys. It's been so much fun hanging out with you guys, doing these tutorials, playing some games, doing whatever. You guys are awesome. Today I kind of, besides giving you stuff, I want to do a little recap today. Just a little bit of a recap, kind of remember all the awesome stuff we've been covering. You know what I'm talking about? A little ethereal, a little UE4, a little whatever. Now let's zoom in and check some of these bad babies out. UE4 material stuff, one of my favorite tutorial series, obviously. Made a little water-looking stuff, get wet. We worked with some glass, right? We worked with little glass materials. I remember making it all crumbly looking and foggy. Just having some fun, you know what I'm talking about? UE4 materials all day, every day. UE4 blueprints, y'all know what I'm talking about. That was fun, right? We made this runaway cube. It was probably running away because I was trying to touch it inappropriately. Made a big old spinning box, right? Talked about trigger volumes, worked with that. If you know anything about me, you know I love boxes, and if you know anything else, you know I like to tear a box up. Got into the old UE4 particle systems, right? That was fun. Turned up the heat a little bit, made some lava dust particles. And hey, according to physics, heat makes matter expand. So you ain't got a weight problem, ladies. You're just hot. We decided to get a little deep in particle systems. You know what I'm talking about. Made some rain, because you know I likes to keep it wet. Did some Blender tutorials, right? 2.79 up here. Learned how to add color and cut stuff up and give it all kind of slits. Then we jumped into Blender 2.8 and started working with other things like curves and more curves, because you know I like those. How about some Ethereal, the game I've been working on here with DepriveD Productions. I know I've only showed a couple videos on it, but we're still working on it. It's kind of slow at the moment because there's a lot going on, but the first playthrough here, kind of just showing you the mechanics and stuff, how it worked. Got a little deep. We jumped into playthrough number 2. You know what I'm talking about? Showed off a little more artwork, a little more particle system action, some stuff like that, stuff we've been working on, so I could show you guys how some of this stuff is done. You know what I'm talking about? But either way, yeah, man, this game is awesome. I can't wait for you guys to play it in the future. It's freaking sweet. All right, on to the goodies. What I've got for you today in part 1 is 3 particle systems, free from me to you, and every material in these particle systems you can make yourself. You don't need any textures. Let's go check them out. This first one I have here is called Portal. It's got like a sweet little portal-y look to the bottom. See, I made that material there with math. Got some little bubble, little circles going around everywhere with an eyeball in the middle or something like that, all glowing. Like I said, all the materials made for these particle systems I've given you, you can make yourself with math. Little tiny notes, and you can check out the materials so you can check them out. But yeah, man, this is the first one. Portal, pretty sweet, right? It's all yours. Do what you want with it. The second one I call Blast. It's got a little thing up here. It charges up, shoots a beam down, boom! You know what I'm talking about? Kind of neat there. You'll see it work a couple times, so you can zoom around it and kind of see what all it's doing there. It's opening something up, and then boom, it shoots down. And the ball wasn't there that time, and I don't know why, but sometimes it won't do that, probably because my project is completely overloaded. But yeah, don't you worry, guys. It works. Boom! You know what I'm talking about? That's what I'm talking. Little purple dots everywhere, sparkling around a little bit. But yeah, it's kind of like a little boom. A little boom for you. You know what I'm talking about? A little extra boom. This third one's called Noise. You know what I'm talking about? Real crazy looking texture, all kind of coming to life in there, all kind of little firefly looking dot particle things flying around. You'll see little symbols popping up, little mathematical symbols I made with signs and dots and multiplies and all that stuff. And again, like I said, all the materials, you can check them out, but you can tell probably by looking at this, I used a little noise for the material. Oh yeah. So what you guys are going to get here is 3. You'll have Blast 500, Noise 500, and Portal 500. If you jump in, everything will be set up. So you can open up one of these right here, and you can look at the math I've done. And yeah, there's a lot of math, and it'd probably be a lot easier if you knew how to draw this. But let's say you don't have any way of getting any 2D art. None. This is what you can do. You can literally take some of these things right here and create these ridiculous images and do awesome things with them. So feel free to jump around and see what I've done here. Some of these are really easy, and you can do them yourself. And we'll end up covering a lot of this later. I always go to the plane so I can see what it looks like on a flat image. Made a little ring, you know what I'm talking about? You might find something really useful in some of these, and like I said, some of it might be a little complicated, but like I said, you end up with some sweet looking images sometimes, man. I mean, look at that bad baby. What is it? What even is that? I don't know, but I love it. You know what I'm talking about? That sexy thing right there. Son, huh? Sexy. Guys, these particle systems are all yours. I love y'all. I miss y'all. DepriveD Productions every day. Spread the word. 500 subscribers. I love you. I want to be on you. You know what I'm talking about? Enjoy these, man. Like I said, they're simple. No textures, no nothing. You can do whatever you want with them. In part 2, I have a couple more awesome things to give you, and we're going to go over some other stuff, recap on some other things we've done. So again, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Have some fun. Hit me up if you have any questions about anything, the particle systems I sent you. Check out those materials. Learn a couple things. Ask me some questions. We'll go over all of this in the future. It's coming. But enjoy, like I said, on me, on the house. Have a blast. DepriveD Productions. Peace.